Ito na mga kababayan, may kakasuhan na. Ayan, sabi ng ICI ay nagkaroon ng press conference ngayon ng ICI at nagkaroon na sila ng recommendation para doon sa ombudsman na kasong criminal at administrative case ang kanilang isinampa sa 6 na mga akusado. Dalawa dito mga kababayan ay incumbent senator, dalawang dating congressman at mga opisyalis ng COA at saka ng DPWH. Kasama dito si Undersecretary, unang-una mga kababayan si Undersecretary ng DPWH dati, Undersecretary Bernardo, at sumunod ay si Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, dating Congressman Saldico at dating COA Commissioner Marisa Lipana. Ayan, at si dating Congressman Mitch Oy. Ayan mga kababayan, at nagsabi pa nga ng ating ICI ay ito ay patungkol sa direct at indirect bribery at kasama yung plunder mga kababayan. Kaya ito, pakinggan natin ang sabi ng ating ICI.
Today, October 29, 2025, we are already 44 days old. We will be submitting our interim report and recommendation to the Office of the Ombudsman on the alleged involvement of several incumbent and former members of the House of Representatives and the Senate in obtaining bribes for unwarranted monetary benefits from flood control project contractors. We recommended the filing of criminal and administrative charges against the following persons. 1. Former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Number 2. Senator Emmanuel Joel Jose Villanueva. Number 3. Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada Ejercito Jr. Number 4. Former Congressman Elizalde Saldico. Number 5. COA Commissioner Mario Lipana. Number 6. Former Congresswoman Mary Mitch Kahayon Uy. These persons have possibly committed these following violations: direct or indirect bribery and corruption of public officials under Articles 210, 211, and 212 of the revised Penal Code. Corruption of public officers under Section 3B and 3E of the Public Act 3019. Plunder as defined and penalized under Section 2 of the Public Act 7080. Based on the testimonies and narrations of the witnesses, the scheme starts from the proponent, who is either a member of the Senate or of the House of Representatives, who will inform Engineer Alcantara that he or she has a budget allocated for infrastructure projects. Additionally, the scheme shall always involve flood control projects, because the kickback is 25 to 30% and is higher than the kickback from other projects, only at 10%. From here, Engineer Alcantara will direct Engineer Hernandez to make a list of projects based on the budget that the proponent has. This is then given.
So ayan mga kababayan, no? Ito na yung mga inaantay ng ating mga kababayan na mayroon na talagang sinampang reklamo doon sa ombudsman mga kababayan. Kaya ito na mga kababayan yung inaantay natin. Kaya antabayanan natin ito doon sa ombudsman dahil ang ombudsman mga kababayan ang siyang may kapangyarihang magsampa ng kaso doon sa Sandigan Bayan. At ang kanilang mga prosecutors ng ombudsman ang siyang magsasampa nito. Kaya ito na yung inaantay natin kagaya ng ating hinihiling doon sa ating presidente na pabilisan na ang mga pag-iimbestigang ito. At ito na nga ang ginawa ng ICI ngayon na anim na mga akusadong mga opisyalis ng ating gobyerno ang siyang inumpisahan nilang paakyatan ng kaso doon sa ombudsman. At ito ang ating latest ngayon mga kababayan. Ito si Kuya Rans kasama si Kuya Dudes. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat.